Hello friends, my name is Vijay, and so far we understood what is solar, what features are available in solar, how we can use it, why it is so popular in the market, what is Tesseract, how we can configure Tesseract with the solar. We have indexed the images Hindi and in in English and non-English language. We index the PDF files, we have indexed the Word document, we have indexed the JSON file. We have also searched the same on with the help of Solar admin panel. But now we can achieve the same thing by using the Java code. So what I meant is we can write a Java code, we can write some utility so by which we can index the document in Solar and we can search the content of the Solar as well. We can use all the features with the help of that utility. So before that, I believe one thing is pending, that is .csv document. We did not see how we can index the CSV file and how we can search the content of the CSV file in Solar. So here I am creating a CSV file which we can index in the Solar. So here I am taking 4 column: ID, name, salary and city. So followed by the value. For the first row the value is 1 Vijay, salary is 4500. Okay, and you can use dollar also, and let's say city is New York. Second name is ID is 2, name is John, salary is $8,500, and here you can write Chicago. We have another row, let's say name is Tom, salary is $3,400, and city is suppose Delhi. Fourth is Jim, $4,600, and city is Bombay or maybe Mumbai. The next one is row number 5. The name is Jose, salary is $5,600, and city is Montreal. Okay, now I am saving the CSV file. Okay, one thing you want to understand how we can create the CSV file, that I can tell you. Let me close it. What you can do, you can simply create one Excel file. Let's name is test1. Open it. Okay, so once it get opened, we can write the content in it. Okay, so I can write ID, name, salary and city. 1 2 3 4 5. Name is Vijay, Akash, John, Tim, Tom. Okay, salary is $2,300, 2400, sorry, $2,400, $5,400, $3,200, and last one, let's say $3,200. City is New York, Chicago, Delhi, Mumbai, and Bangalore. Okay, so now this is the data we have in the Excel file. So how you can convert this file into the CSV1? Okay, click on Save As, select the location where you want to save. I want to save it here, and then you can choose the option CSV comma delimited, and you can give the name test, let's say 23. Now save. It will ask you, do you really want to keep these changes? We can click on yes. Now close this file. So here we created test 23. So if you will click on edit, you can see this file is converted into the CSV file. So that is how we can create the CSV file. Okay, and you can see the type Microsoft Excel comma separated value CSV file. Okay, so now we will see how we can index this value, this file in the CSV, in the Solr. So for that we need to make sure that a Solr is running. So for that we can go to self software, Solr 5.5 bin, and here we can start CMD, and now we can type Solr start. So it will start the Solr for us. It is starting. Okay, now we can check here. We can see it on, we can see on the browser if it is open. Okay, we can type localhost 8983 and Solr. So by default Solr start on this on this port 89883. We can see the same here also. Now press enter. We can see yes, Solr started. So here we have two core demo which we were using in the last session, and one is PDF test. So let me create one more core. Okay, yeah, I forgot to write Solr. We can give name CSV core. Okay, so we will index the CSV file in this core. Let us check it is created or not. Let me refresh it. Yeah, it's created, but now If we search here, we can see we don't have any document here. Number found 0. So now we can upload the document. Here you can choose CSV and copy the content of the CSV file and paste it here, and click on submit. We can see status is success. It means the file got indexed successfully. Now click on query. We can see ID 1, name Vijay, salary $2,300, city New York. ID 2, Akash, $2,400, Chicago. ID 3, John, $5,400, Delhi. ID 4, Tom, $3,200, Bangalore. So we have all the rows, whatever we inserted, whatever we had in the file, all data get indexed in this Solr, and we can search it successfully. So if you want to use any feature of Solr, let's say facet, we can click on give name. We need to provide field for the facet search. Click on execute. Okay. Now we can say name. We don't have any value like name, so it's 0. Let's say city 0. Let's say sorry. Yeah, actually I was doing mistake. That is why I was confused why it is not happening. I was putting the search field in the query box, but we need to provide the field value in the field box instead of query. Now click on execute. Now you can see it provided it perform the facet on the name field. Akash we have 1, John we have 1, Tom we have 1, Vijay we have 1. Let's suppose let's change this name Tim and put Vijay again. Copy it, go to document and index one more time CSV. Now we have 2 times Vijay. Now submit it success. Click on query, execute query. Now we have more document. If I use facet now, field name and click on execute query, but we had Vijay 2 times, it is giving 1. So what does it mean? Document not indexed. Let me create one more core. Let's see what happened. click on refresh. Oh, it is not optimized, and that is the okay. This one is fine. Here we can upload a document, CSV. Now paste it, Vijay 2 times. Now click on submit. Success. Query. Again Vijay 1 time. Oh, okay. That is the problem. The ID is same, and we should have different ID for different values. Now it will be okay. Okay, not an issue. We kept the ID value same, that is why it was taking only one value. Now it will take both the values. CSV. Now submit. Query. Yeah, now we have Vijay 2 times because ID is different. The view, I told you in my initial session, the ID should be unique for all the documents, for all the fields, otherwise it won't understand it. Now we perform the facet search. Now it is showing correct result, Vijay is 2 times. So that is how we can index the CSV file. Okay, this is one way. If you want to index, upload the document, we can do that also, but that format will be different. So for that we need to write a Java code or any coding language by which we can get the result in our relevant format. So we need to basically search the result, and we need to convert it into the our desired format. So I am giving ID 100, and let's say choose the file test23. It's a CSV file. Click on submit. Here we can see waiting for localhost in the bottom left corner. So it means it was running. Now we can search for ID D100. So here you can see all the fields, all the content will come into the attribute content field, just like the documents which we have uploaded, like PDF, images and Word file. So here you can see we have all the fields: ID, name, salary, city, now Vijay, and all these things. So what I was saying, if we upload the file in the Solr, we can get this result into in the with the help of Java code, and in that code we can manipulate this result as per our required format. Or if you have small data, you can easily choose CSV option from here and upload the document. So that is how we can index the CSV file, and we can search the CSV file, and we can also use the features of the Apache Solr. So in my next session we will start with the Java code, and then we will index the file, and we will search the file with the help of Java code.